Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupa and you're watching Sasya Vintage. So in today's video, we are here for a festival that is very special kind of festival in Basavangudi. So we have come here for Kadlekai Parse, and this is one of the most special festival we could say here in Bangalore. So yeah, we will explore Kadlekai Parse today and we'll see what all the things we can do here. Yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here, entire parking slot is full, and it's better to opt for an public transport or a cab or at auto, and because there is no proper parking for this. Also, this was creating a nuisance, like it was creating jam everywhere, and people were getting difficult in looking, and yeah, this is how the per se entrance is. This is just beside the BMS college for women, and Kadlekai per se, it is, as you all know, a annual groundnut festival or a fair which is held in Bangalore. So this fair is a 2-day fair which is held near Dodda Ganesha temple in Basavanagudi. So apart from the groundnuts, there are numerous stalls in the fair. As you can see here, people are selling bangles, traditional toys, clay trinkles, plastic glass dolls, mehendi tattoos, also good keychains, name rising the keychain, also the flowers, so many things they are selling here, and also eatables like bhaji, bonda, colored sugar candies. It is also called as sugar coated gram, and colored soda are also on the sale here, and the people came here were so huge, guys. As you can see, I was not able to walk and take videos with some distance, so the topic of maintaining social difference was completely didn't happen, and over 200 grounded vendors were benefited, and the total plastics consumption at this fair came down by over 60% as of 2021. So why is this festival celebrated? That is a really an interesting story, guys. As the idol was found in the year 1537, Kempegowda dedicated a temple for Dodda Basava on the top of the Basavangudi hillock, and installed the idol. So this temple he named as Bull Temple, and ever since, the farmers from surrounding villages came here every year to offer their harvest as the groundnuts as offering for Lord Basava. And there is also an interesting story why only the Kadlekai was offered on this day and all that things. So here what happened was, and it was actually surrounded by so many villages like Sunkadhalli, Gavipuram, Guttanahalli, also some Mavalli, Dasarahalli, all the other places were surrounded, and here majority people or farmers started cultivating groundnut. So groundnut was the very means of cultivation here, and on every full moon day a bull would charge into the groundnut field, and it was damaging the crop. So that is why the farmers then offered prayers and asked Basava the Nandi to stop this and pledged to offer their first crop every year. And subsequently an idol of Basava was found close by. It has been said that the idol was growing rapidly, and the farmers nailed an iron peg on the head of the idol, which is visible in the form of Trishula even this state. Also, the legend says that the night on which this Kadlekai per se used to end, Lord Basavanna, so the big bull, used to come in front in the form of animal and eat up all the groundnut and peels left overnight on the streets. And now the actual festival starts. See here, you can see so many people, right? So now our task is to leave the shoes or whatever the chappal we wear here in this, and we should go inside the temple. So I have to come from that particular line, and then see, from this line I have to go and come out from that line. That was again a big task, guys. In this crowd I just saw stars. Being alone at home, or being very like very quiet at home, and suddenly going to such a crowd, actually it was like a headache for me. And after a long time I have been to some crowded place like that. So now we are entering into the temple, and yeah, I couldn't show you the temple inside because it's not allowed. And now we are going to another temple, and this temple only we call it as Bull Temple, which is located above the hillocks, as I already said. Take a look. So many people I could see there. In the videos also you can see there is no scare of COVID. Also there is a new variant which is again a big thing to actually think about it. So nobody is concerned about the COVID, and nobody is wearing proper mask. People are eating here and there, playing. So many kids have come. So there is no point of here maintaining social distance. I don't know what to tell, but yeah, this is how the Kadlekai per se was. And I actually didn't enjoy a lot because people were huge, right? And walking itself and shouting, calling them chappal kodi kodi, that itself took a huge time. And yeah, I didn't feel like removing my mask. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you do like, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe Sassy Vintage. I'll be meeting you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.